Hello kids, today we are going to see about exercise 3.2 question number 1. The question is, a shopkeeper buys 3 articles for rupees 325, 450, 510. He is able to sell them for rupees 350, 425, 525 respectively. Find the gain or loss to the shopkeeper on the whole.
Problem, they're given a shopkeeper buys 3 articles. Shopkeeper buys 3 articles. So here they are given the cost price value. So cost price equal to cost price of 3 articles. Cost price of 3 articles. Cost price of 3 articles. Rupees 125, 50 and 510. Okay, so here we are adding all these values. Okay, here we are adding these values, so we get rupees 325 plus rupees 450 plus rupees 510. Okay, so we get rupees 1285. Okay, so cost price of 3 articles rupees 1285. And then he is able to sell them for rupees 350, 425 and 525. So here the selling price. So selling price of 3 articles. So selling price of 3 articles rupees 350 plus rupees 425 plus rupees 525. So adding all these values, so we get 350 plus 425 plus 525, we get 1300. So selling price of 3 articles rupees 1300. Okay, 1300. What we have to find? Find the gain or loss to the shopkeeper on the whole. Find the gain or loss. Here gain is similar word of profit. Okay, gain is the similar word of profit. So here we have to find the profit or loss to the shopkeeper on the whole. Okay, first compare the cost price and the selling price. So here cost price value 1285. So here selling price value 1300. Okay, which one is higher?
The next question number
Absolutely,
1,
selling price
exercise
value is
3.2.
higher. Okay,
The
if
shopkeeper buys 3 articles for
selling
rupees
price is
325,
greater than
450
cost
and
price,
510.
then it is
He is
a
able to
profit.
sell
So
them for
then it is
rupees
a profit.
350, 425
Then
and 525 respectively.
it is
Find
a
the gain or loss to the shopkeeper on
profit.
the whole.
So here we need the profit formula. Already we know about the profit formula. So what is the profit formula? Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. So here selling price value 1300. So here selling price value 1285. 1285. Okay. So here subtract 1300 minus 1285. We get rupees 15. So profit equal to rupees 15. Therefore, the shopkeeper gain, Gain rupees 15. Rupees 15. Okay. Hello kids. Today we are move on to the next chapter. The chapter name is geometry. We already studied the basic geometrical concept such as angles and its types, drawing line segments, drawing and measuring angles in the first term. Here in this term we will study triangles and their types, construction of parallel and perpendicular lines to the given line segment. First, here we are going to see about the definition of triangle. What is the triangle? The triangle means a closed figure formed by three line segments. A closed figure formed by three line segments. Okay. A closed figure formed by three line segments. 1, 2, 3. Three line segment. A closed figure formed by three line segments. It is called the triangle. Okay. Next we are move on to the basic elements of a triangle. Basic elements of a triangle. Mark 3 points. Okay. Mark 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Mark 3 points. Here we have name A, B, C. Okay. A, B, C. Join the line segment. Okay. Join the line segment. A, B, B, C and C. Okay. Mark 3 points. Here. Join the line segment A, B, C. Here. The line segment A, B, B, C, C. A, B, B, C, C is called the sides of the triangle. Okay, what is this? Sides of the triangle. And then the triangle A, B, C. A, B, C and then B, C, A and C, A, B. Okay, triangle A, B, C, BCA and CAB. Okay. Here the triangle BCA is called the angle of the triangle. What is this? Angle of the triangle. And then what is the vertex? The vertex means the point intersection. The point intersection of two sides. Point intersection of two sides of the triangle is called the vertex. The point intersection of two sides of the triangle is called the vertex. Okay. So a triangle has three sides and three angles and three vertices. Next we are move on to the types of triangle based on its sides. Okay, types of triangle based on its sides. The first one is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and then equilateral triangle. Okay, what is scalene triangle? Scalene triangle, it is nothing but if three sides of the triangle are different in length. If three sides of the triangle are different in length, then it is called the scalene triangle. Let us explain with you with help of example. The triangle, if the three sides of the triangle are different in length. So A, B, C. So AC has 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and then 5 centimeter. So here the three sides of the triangle has different length. Okay, has different length. So these triangles are called the scalene triangle. Okay. The next one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles means if two sides of the triangle are equal in length. Okay, then it is called the isosceles triangle. Okay. Let us take one example. Let us take one example. A, B, C. Okay. Here 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and here 2 centimeter. Okay. If two sides of the triangle are equal lengths. Okay. So here AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. AB equal to 5 centimeter, AC equal to 5 centimeter. Here two sides of the triangle are equal length, then it is called the isosceles triangle. The Last one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means if three sides of the triangle are equal lengths. Okay, if the three sides of the triangle are equal length, then it is called the equilateral triangle. Okay. So here A, B, C. Okay. Here 1 centimeter and here 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So here three sides of the AB equal to BC equal to CA. Okay. Here three sides of the triangle are equal length. So then it is called the equilateral triangle. The sum of three angles of the triangle is 180 degree. 180 degree. The sum of three angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Okay. Next we are move on to the types of the triangle based on its angles. Okay. Based on its angles. Okay. The triangles are acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. Okay. Acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and then obtuse angle triangle. Okay. What is the acute angle? If three sides of the triangle are acute angle between 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay. Between 0 degree. Between 0 degree and to this acute angle between 0 degree and 90 degree. Let us take one example. A, B, C. A angle has 60 degree and B angle has 60 degree and C angle has 60 degree. Okay. So here the three sides of the angle has between 0 degree and 90 0 degree and 90 degree. So here the angles are 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. The sum of the three angles equal to 180 degree. So here A plus B plus C equal to A 60 plus B 60 degree plus C 60 degree. So here adding all these values to we get 180 degree. Okay. So here this is the example of acute angle. And then what is the right angle triangle? Right angle triangle means if an angle of a triangle is a right angle at degree 90 degree, at 90 degree, then it is called the right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Okay. Right angle triangle. Let us take one example. A, B, C. So here B is the right angled triangle. So here B is a okay, let us take one example. Okay. Here this is the right angle triangle 90 degree. Okay, at 90 degree. Okay, A, B, C. So here A equal to 60 degree, C equal to 30 degree. So sum of three angles 60, 30, 90. So 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 90, 180 degree. So here it is the example of right angle triangle. And then obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle means if an angle of a triangle is an obtuse angle between 90 degree and 180 degree. Between 90 degree. Between 90 degree and 180 degree. 90 degree and 180 degree. Okay, it is called the obtuse angle. Okay, let us take one example. Okay, let us take one example. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, here between obtuse angle between 90 degree and 180 degree. Okay, so here right angle triangle 110 and it is 50. It is 20 degree. Okay, 20 degree. So here A angle has 50 degree, B angle has 110 degree and C angle has 20 degree. Okay, so here the angle triangle has between 90 degree to 180. So here it is a 110 degree. So 110 degree is between 90 180 degree. So here it is the obtuse angle triangle. So the types of triangle based on its angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle.